the first thing that you should always remember to do when you start baking is turn your oven on so that the oven can be preheating while you prepare your cake batter. Preheating is essential because the cooking process starts even before you put your cake batter into the oven. Right from when you mix things together, chemical reactions are already happening. So once the cake is in the oven, it's important that it's already at the right temperature so that that whole process can just continue smoothly ahead. So I always say to myself, turn on the oven first, let it start preheating, start preparing your cake batter, and everything will go smoothly, kind of.